Hello everyone, in this step-by-step video I'll be showing you how to get your store link and send to your customers to receive payment. On your dashboard menu where you have the store POS, select that and scroll down to your registered store. You click on it, you scroll down to where you have pay info. You can check your store balance, all the activities you've gotten so far, the payment info, invoices. You can create invoices for your store and send to your customer. But in this video, I'll be showing you how to get your payment link and send to your customer to start receiving payments immediately. So click on payment info or pay info. You get to this page where you copy your virtual terminal POS link or store link. So copy and send to your customer. Please ensure you copy to avoid mistakes. And if your customer has an account in BananaCrystal, you can send them your email address or your username to send you payment in the platform. Also, you can get paid through crypto wallets, but ensure you tell your customers that you can only receive POS USD on this wallet address with this wallet address. Anything other than that will result in an irreversible loss for both you and that customer. Or you can scan this payment QR code and send the details to your customers. So any payment method you want to choose is up to you. So you can send this URL to anyone that is on the platform, but if the person is on BananaCrystal platform, you can use this your email address or the store username. Or if the person has a crypto wallet and want to send the crypto to your account, it is permitted. All you have to do is to send them this Polygon address and ensure you tell them that it's only for POS USDT, and that's how you send the link and you start receiving payment immediately to your BananaCrystal Virtual Terminal POS. Thank you for watching.